Hello, welcome to this video. Here we are going to learn operators and expressions in C programming. Let's see operator. An operator is a symbol that tells computer to perform certain mathematical or logical operations. Operators are used in program to manipulate data and variables. Operators usually part of mathematical or logical expressions. C support rich set of operators. In C programming, operators can be classified as arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operator, increment and decrement operator, conditional operators, and bitwise operators. We will see one by one in detail. Arithmetic operators perform all basic arithmetic operations such as addition, or it is also called unary plus, subtraction, or also called as unary minus, multiplication operator represented by star or asterisk, division operator represented by backslash, modulo division that is represented by percent sign. Arithmetic operators, when both the operands in the expression are integer variables, then it is called integer arithmetic. Integer arithmetic always produce integer output, that is result is always integer variable. Suppose for example we have a is equal to 14 and b is equal to 4, then a plus b, that is 14 plus 4 14, a minus b, result is or output is 10, a into b, that is a multiplied by b, 56, a divisions backslash is division, a divided by b is equal to 3, that is 14 divided by 4, decimal part is truncated, it gives only integer variable, that is result without decimal part. Then a percent b, percent is nothing but modulo division, a modulo b, that gives remainder of 14 divided by 4. A modulus b gives remainder of 14 divided by 4. That is the modulus division. Real arithmetic, when both the operands in arithmetic expressions are real or floating point or float variables, then it is called real arithmetic. Since floating point values are rounded to the number of significant digits which are permissible, that is rounded to nearest permissible digits. Suppose we have a and b, that is a is equal to 6.0 divided by 7.0. The answer is 0.857143, and b is equal to 1.0 divided by 3.0. Now here point decimal part is considered. So answer is in given in the decimal values. Percent operator cannot be used. That is modulo operator, modulo division cannot be used in real arithmetic. Mixed arithmetic. When one number is or operand is real and other is integer, then the operation is called mixed mode arithmetic. If either of the operand is real or float, then only real operation is performed. For example, 15, which is integer, that is number without decimal part, and 10.0, that is float number or real number, number with decimal point. So answer is obviously 1.5, which is float or real number. Now in this case, suppose we represent these two numbers, 15 divided by 10, that is integer numbers without decimal point. So answer will be 1. Decimal part will not be considered, it will be truncated because answer will be in integers. So in this case, it is a mixed mode arithmetic where one number is in float and other is in integer. So result will be in float. When we need to compare two quantities or numbers, and depending on their relation, we want to take certain decision during programming. We use relational operators. Comparisons are done with the help of relational operators, and the relational operator return true, that is 1, or false, that is 0. C supports 6 relational operators: less than operator, less than equal to operator, operator, greater than equal to operator represented by equal, not equal to represented by exclamation, and equal to. Logical operators. C has three kinds of logical operator. Logical AND, represented by and, logical OR, represented by double pipe, logical NOT operator, that is exclamation. Logical AND operators return 1 or true if both the operands are true or 1. Logical OR returns 1 if any one of the operand is true or 1. And logical NOT operator negate the value, that is, if it is 1 it will be 0 or false. If it is 0 then it will be 1, that is true. Assignment operator assigns a value from right side operand to left side operand, such as variable is equal to value, that is, a is equal to 10, 10 will be assigned to a, or a is equal to b, that is, value of b will be assigned to a. Assignment operator also used to assign result of an expression to a variable. For example, a is equal to b plus c. That means result of addition will be assigned to a. In addition, C supports shorthand assignment operator, which is variable plus equal to value. It is similar to variable is equal to variable plus value. That means variable is written only once. For example, it may be like this: a is equal a plus equal to 10. It is nothing but a is equal to a plus 10. Increment and decrement operators. C has two very useful operators for increment and decrement, that is, plus plus and minus minus. The operator plus plus adds 1 to the operand, and minus minus subtract 1 from the operand. Both are called as unary operators. For example, plus plus a or minus minus a. This is prefix and postfix operator. Meaning is same, little bit different. That I'll explain. So its meaning is a is equal to a plus 1, and minus minus a or a minus minus. It means a is equal to a minus 1. Suppose a is equal to 10, and we perform a plus plus. So a will changes to 11 and vice versa. Conditional or ternary operator that allow you to assign value based on certain condition. It is represented like result is equal to condition question mark value 1 colon value 2. For example, suppose we have int a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3, and one more variable we declare result. So result is equal to condition is given like this: a greater than b question mark a or b. So in this case, value of either a or b will be assigned to the result depending on this condition. Now in this condition, a greater than b, a is 5. So value of a will be assigned to result. So result will be 5. Otherwise, it would have been b. Bitwise operators. C supports manipulation of data at bit level, that is at binary level. These operators are used for testing of bits or shifting bits from left to right or right to left, vice versa. Bitwise operators may not be applied on float or double values. These operators are single and, that is nothing but bitwise and, bitwise or represented by single pipe, tilde operator is nothing but XOR operator, left shift and right shift. For example, suppose we have int a is equal to 5, which is represented in 8-bit format like this in binary. Int b represented in binary like this. So suppose we have result is equal to a and b, that is bitwise and. So result will be 1, which is like and at each corresponding bit. An arithmetic expression is a combination of variables, constants, and operators arranged as per the syntax of programming language. C can handle any complex mathematical expressions such as these are the expression given. For example, we consider this expression A into B divided by C. So it can be given as a asterisk B backslash C or 3x square plus 2x plus 1. It can be given as a 3 into x plus 2x 2 into x plus 1. So these are the multiplication symbol. Similarly, this expression here it is in this expression multiplication sign is not there, but in programming language we have to mention it. Precedence of arithmetic operators. An arithmetic expression without parenthesis will be evaluated from left to right using rules of operator precedence. So there are two distinct priority levels of arithmetic operators in C: high priority and low priority. High priority operators are multiplication, division, and modulo, that is asterisk, backslash, and modulo. And low priority, plus and minus. These two are the low priority arithmetic operators. So consider this expression x is equal to 9 minus 12 divided by 3 plus 3 into 2 multiplied by 2 minus 1. Now in this case parentheses are not there. So we have to consider operator precedence. Now let's look at the expression using operator precedence. So in this case 12 divided by 3 get executed first or calculated first. Then 3 into 2 calculated second. Then 9 minus the result of division, that is calculated third. Then the result of that subtraction will get added with this. Then at the end, last subtraction will be done. Thank you. Hope you understood.